Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is cell theory is not applicable to A. fungi, B. bacteria, C. algae, and D. virus. So the correct option is D. virus. The next MCQs is what would be the resolving power of the objective length in a microscope if the eyepiece is of 10x and total magnification is 40x? A 4x, B 10x, C 40x, and D 400x. So the correct option is A 4x. The next MCQs is the human naked eye can differentiate between 2 points which are how much apart? A 1 mm, B 0.1 mm, C 2 dm, and D 1 dm. So the correct option is A 1 mm. The next MCQs is what is the correct sequence of steps and cell fractionation? A. Homogenization, configuration, separation. B. Separation, homogenization, and D. Configuration. C. Configuration, homogenization, and separation. D. Homogenization, separation, configuration. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is plant cells are distinguishable from animal cell and containing A. mitochondria, B. endoplasmic reticulum, C. ribosomes, and D. cell wall. So the correct option is D. Cell wall. The next MCQs is pick the correct one with the reference to plant cell. A. Mitochondria, peroxisome, and centriole. So A. Mitochondria, not peroxisome and centriole. B. Mitochondria, peroxisome, and centriole. C. Not mitochondria, peroxisome, and centriole. And D. Not mitochondria, peroxisome, and not centriole. So the correct sequence is B. The next MCQ is out of the given option, choose the one which shows the structure found only in plants. A. Vacuole, chloroplast, ribosomes. B. Chloroplast, cell wall, large vacuole. C. Chloroplast, microtubule, peroxisome, and D. Chloroplast, cell wall, mitochondria. So the correct option is C. Chloroplast, microtubule, and peroxisome. The next MCQ is which feature do animal cells share with plant cells? A. Chloroplast, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria. B. Chloroplast, nucleus. C. Cytoplasm, nucleus, and mitochondria. And D. Only mitochondria. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the layer of cellulosic fibers and cell wall are arranged with each other at A. obtuse angle, B. parallel angle, C. right angle, and D. horizontal angle. So the correct option is D. horizontal angle. The next MCQ is which of the following is related to prokaryote cell wall? A. murine, B. succulus, C. peptidoglycan, and D. all A and all B. A, B, C. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is it is absent in secondary cell wall. A. Silica, B. Pectin, C. Waxes, and D. Cutin. So the correct option is D. Cutin. The next MCQ is in which type of cell wall is not present? A. Plant cell, B. Bacterial cell, C. Fungal cell, and D. Liver cell. So the correct option is C. Fungal cell. The next MCQ is cellulose is usually not found in A. primary cell wall, B. secondary cell wall, C. middle lamella, and D. all contain cellulose. So the correct option is C. Middle lamella. The next MCQ is holding neighboring cell together is function of A. primary cell wall, B. secondary cell wall, C. middle lamella, and D. none of these. So the correct option is C. Middle lamella. The next MCQ is all of the following are common molecules and membrane of all type of cell except A. globular protein, B. traces of carbohydrates, C. cholesterol, and D. phospholipids. So the correct option is B. traces of carbohydrates. The next MCQ is hydrophobic portion of plasma membrane is present in it. A. Towards extracellular matrix. B. Inner core of plasma membrane. C. Towards cytoplasm. And D. Towards the cytoskeleton. So the correct option is B. Inner core of plasma membrane. The next MCQ is which of the following describe the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane structure? A. Phospholipids monolayer with embedded protein. C. B. Phospholipids bilayer with embedded proteins. C. Triglyceride bilayer with embedded proteins. And D. Triglyceride monolayer with embedded proteins. So the correct option is B. Phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. The next MCQ is and plasma membrane carbohydrates combine with the lipids and proteins to form glycolipid and glycoprotein and are oriented A towards inside, B towards inside and outside, C towards outside and D randomly distributed. So the correct option is C towards outside. The next MCQ is which of the following is not a characteristic feature of animal cell membrane? A. Provides mechanical shape. B. Regulate passage of molecules. C. Maintain cellular homeostasis. And D. Prevent from osmotic layer. So the correct option is D. Prevent from osmotic layer. The next MCQ is which of the following acts as receptor site on plasma membrane? A. Head of phospholipid molecule. B. Tail of phospholipid molecule. C. Cholesterol molecule. And D. Glycoprotein. So the correct option is D. Glycoprotein. The next MCQ is which structure is the most important for cellular life? A. Nucleus. B. Cell membrane. And D. C. Chromosome. And D. Mitochondria. So the correct option is B. Cell membrane. Thanks for joining me. I hope these mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep tuning and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.